Ever wonder why do we have difficulty to speak English, even though we have been learning this language since our primary grade? It's kind of shocking, right? Now picture this. Most of the people in our country can communicate in Hindi language, even though this is not their language, first. Secondly, they do not even know probably how to read or how to write. But somehow they end up speaking it pretty nice. Just do a math. The language we do not have any kind of educational, background of. At the same time, we do not know how to read or how to write, but we can speak and somewhat better way. On the other hand, English, we have been doing it from the very beginning of our education, primary grade to the onwards, up to the age you're at the moment. But again, you can't speak it better. The only problem, you can just make a guess, thinking like, okay, probably oftentimes when you think about saying something in English, you do translate from your own mother tongue, Bangla, to English. And the translation process makes you feel lethargic in order for delivery, or let's say, make it out of you, which is why you get stuck. And the fear comes along with the difficulty. But what you can do the opposite. Meaning the thing you do to learn or unintentionally learn Hindi language, listening. You need to develop your listening skills. Now, when I say listening skills, you don't have to be a good listener listening. Rather, you just, try to create an atmosphere for you where you can come across English most of the time in your daily life. The tips I'll give you about this in the next video. I'll see you tomorrow.